What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode with me, Nelly. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this very simple and delicious recipe. We're gonna be making some barbecue meatballs. So good, and it's the perfect weeknight recipe to make for your family or yourself. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start by cooking my spaghetti. So I just put it following the package directions, and I'm gonna cook it until al dente. In the ending of the video, I'll show you how to make it into garlic spaghetti, okay, mixed with a little bit of oil. Simple recipe, and it pairs absolutely delicious with the meatballs. All right. Okay, so next I diced up some onions. I'm using a mixture of regular yellow onions and red onions, and I minced about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so you want to get a large bowl and place your ground beef in the bowl. Next, I'm adding in some breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. Then you're gonna add in the onion and the garlic, and chop the onion and mince the garlic as finely as you like. If you don't like chunks of either in your meatballs, then I would say cut it very finely, or you could omit it. It's totally up to you. Alright, so next you want to season up the meatball mixture. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper to season my meatballs. I'm also going to add a little bit of adobo seasoning in the meatball mixture, and then I'm going to add in 1 egg. And the last thing I'm going to add in the meatball is some freshly chopped parsley. And after that, you want to mix everything together until all the ingredients is well combined. So you use your hands, you can use gloves if you need to, and just mix everything together until it's all combined. And once you finish mixing, what you're going to do is start rolling your meatball. So you can use a spoon to scoop out the meatball and kind of use it as a measurement to make even sized meatballs, or you could just go ahead and scoop the meatball mixture out using your hands, and you roll it in the palm of your hands until it's in the shape of a circle and it's nice and smooth. Then you want to get your baking dish ready, you guys. Spray it with some non-stick cooking spray and just place the meatballs in the baking dish as you see me doing. Okay, so out of this recipe I ended up making about 12 to 13 meatballs. Okay, so after you place all of your meatballs in the baking dish, and I'm separating them a little, you want to leave a little bit of space or else they're gonna like stick together. Okay, so by now your oven should be preheated to 375 degrees, and you want to bake the meatballs for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. It's okay if it's not fully cooked at this point yet, you guys, because we're going to put it back with our barbecue sauce so it can finish and glaze and get extra delicious. Okay, so remove them from the oven after about 25 minutes, and they're gonna look something like this. And what I'm gonna do next is get my barbecue sauce. So I made honey chipotle barbecue meatballs today because I used a honey chipotle barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's. It makes it a little bit spicy. Okay, so just add the barbecue sauce on top of the meatballs, and then you can use a brush and just like try to coat each meatball with the barbecue sauce. Okay, next I'm gonna pour in just a little bit of water in the pan, not a lot at all, maybe about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water in the pan. And then as you can use a brush or your spoon to kind of mix the water with the rest of the sauce that was already in the pan, like the barbecue sauce in the pan. Okay, such a simple recipe, and I promise you it's delicious. You're gonna love it. Okay, so before we put it back into the oven, I'm gonna add some veggies in here. So if you like, you could add a little bit of barbecue sauce in the pan into the sauce as well to make it extra barbecue-y, if that makes sense, you guys. and just mix it and combine it. And next I chopped up some veggies that I'm gonna add in my pan as well. So I'm gonna add in some red onions, sliced red onions, sliced bell peppers. You can use a mixture of different colors, and some parsley, freshly chopped parsley, and just add that on top of the meatballs on the side however you'd like, and then place it back in the oven at 375 degrees and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the meatballs are fully cooked. And that's it, you guys. Once my meatball was glazed with my barbecue sauce and my veggies was soft to my liking, you can remove it from the oven, and that is it. So you can serve these meatballs by themselves, or like I did for the perfect weeknight dinner idea, I served it with some garlic spaghetti, simple garlic spaghetti. All right, so keep watching the video if you like to see how I made this easy spaghetti recipe. Okay, so you want to crush some cloves of garlic. You could crush it or you could slice it, it's up to you. I rather just leave it whole, crush it, so that if you decide to remove the garlic from the pasta after you add the flavor, you can. Okay, so just use the back of your knife and crush it like you see me doing here. Next, you're gonna get a frying pan, and I have it over medium heat. Then you want to add in some olive oil, okay? And you could add as little or as much as you like, just don't overdo it. I probably added a little bit too much, but it's okay. And just make sure you're using olive oil, and because the olive oil is going to add great flavor to the spaghetti. And once the oil gets nice and hot, you're going to add in the cloves of garlic, and you want this over low heat at this point. Once the oil gets hot, low heat, so that the garlic can start to like cook and release its flavor. Okay, so once the garlic starts to get a nice golden brown color, don't let it burn. It should take about, I want to say about 4 minutes or so. Once it starts to slightly brown color, that's when you're gonna really quick add in the spaghetti we cooked. Okay, so add in the spaghetti into the olive oil and the garlic, and after that, you guys, you want to mix the garlic mixture to flavor the spaghetti. Next, I'm adding in some freshly chopped parsley. This is gonna add more flavor into our spaghetti, and just let that cook for about 2 minutes or so. I added a little bit too much oil in mine, so I ended up like throwing out a little bit of it. All right, because we don't want to drown the spaghetti in oil. And after this step, you guys, if you want, you can remove the crushed garlic. This is why I left it in huge chunks, or you can leave it in the spaghetti and serve it that way. All right, it's totally up to you and what you want to do with the spaghetti. So after this, we're going to turn off the stove, and the last thing to add in the spaghetti is top it with some Parmesan cheese. And I went a little bit extra and added a little bit of smoked Gouda cheese. I just grated it on top of the pasta. Give it a good mix to mix the cheese in with the pasta. You can also add the cheese when you serve your pasta, okay? And that is it for our garlic spaghetti. Simple and delicious spaghetti recipe to serve with our meatballs today, or any dish that you choose. So yeah, Alright, so let's make us a plate, you guys. So I'm adding some of my spaghetti, my garlic spaghetti, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of extra cheese on top of it. Of course, I'm using Parmesan cheese, smoked Gouda cheese. Then I'm gonna add my barbecue meatballs on top of it. And don't forget to add some of that delicious peppers and onions on there as well, you guys. And that's it for today's weeknight recipe idea of barbecue meatballs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried it and how it turned out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.